Hello everyone, this is our fifth session on career counseling. Now, after having understood what is SWOT analysis and how to perform individual SWOT analysis in our fourth video, आजका सेसनमा we shall see what are the streams available after class 10 and we shall also give you a brief overview of each stream. Later on, we shall also understand how to choose a stream that best suits your characteristics. And finally, at the end, हामी बुझ्ने छौं what are industrial training institutes and the ITI courses available as well. So let us start by knowing what are the streams available after class 10. तर यो जान्न भन्दा अगाडि तपाईहरुले बुझ्नुपर्ने कुरा हो कि क्लास 10 भन्दा अगाडिको तपाईहरुको स्कुलिङ डेजमा जुन चाहिँ सब्जेक्ट्स तपाईहरुले पढ्नु हुँदै थियो, फर एक्जाम्पल लाइक इंग्लिश, साइन्स, म्याथ्स, सोशल स्टडीज, these were common subjects chosen by your board. यो सब्जेक्ट सेलेक्सनमा अहिलेसम्म तपाईहरुले केही इम्पोर्टेन्ट डिसिजन्स लिनु परेको थिएन. एन्ड बाइ नाउ तपाईहरु सबैमा यो सबै पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट्स को एउटा बेसिक अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ डेभलप भइसकेको छ. तर क्लास 10 पश्चात कुन चाहिँ स्ट्रीम लिएर तपाईले एउटा पर्टिकुलर करियर पाथ चुज गर्ने त्यो डिसिजन तपाईको रेस्पेक्टिभ बोर्डको हैन तर तपाईको हुनेछ. So it's high time that you be ready to make a decision and also make sure that it's a correct decision for your future. So basically, class 10 sakisakera, there are three streams available: humanities, commerce, and science. So let us have a brief overview of each stream अनि बुझौं कि तपाईहरुमा के विशेषता हुनुपर्छ जसको कारण तपाईलाई एउटा पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रीम चुज गर्नमा सहज हुन्छ. Also, I shall give you examples of some professions and career options that you can choose from following a particular stream. Let us start with science stream. र science stream को कुरा गर्नु पर्दा basically there are two fields of subjects. पहिलो हो नन मेडिकल फिल्ड अनि दोस्रो हो मेडिकल फिल्ड. यदि तपाईले नन मेडिकल फिल्ड चुज गर्नुभयो भने फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री र म्याथ्स तपाईहरुको कम्पल्सरी सब्जेक्ट्स हुनेछ. र यदि तपाईले मेडिकल फिल्ड चुज गर्नुभयो भने फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एन्ड बायोलोजी विल बी योर कम्पल्सरी सब्जेक्ट्स. र अपार्ट फ्रम दिस तपाईहरुले फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, म्याथ्स अनि बायोलोजी को कम्बिनेसन लिएर पनि PCMB पर्स्यु गर्नु सक्नुहुनेछ. तर सिन्स यु आर कम्बाइनिङ सब्जेक्ट्स फ्रम टू डिफरेंट फिल्ड्स, मेडिकल फिल्ड एंड नन मेडिकल फिल्ड, यो पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शन चूज गर्नु भन्दा अगाडि यू मस्ट बी वेरी मच confident in your abilities and work equally hard. Let us now understand what are the important characteristics that you need to have जसले तपाईलाई साइन्स स्ट्रीम चुज गर्नमा प्रोत्साहन दिन्छ. The first thing is your curiosity for science. यदि तपाई यस्तो स्टुडेन्ट हुनुहुन्छ जसलाई साइन्टिफिक इन्फर्मेसन ग्यादर गर्नमा एकदमै रुचि लाग्छ अनि त्यो इन्फर्मेसन ग्यादरिङ तपाईले अरु केही चीजको लागि हैन तर तपाईको आफ्नो सन्तुष्टिको लागि गर्नुहुन्छ भने you have a scientifically curious mind and choosing science as your stream can prove to be a feasible option for you. The next thing is an experimenting and observing mind. कति जना स्टुडेन्ट यस्तो हुन्छ कि उनीहरुलाई केही न केही चीज गरिरहनु मन पर्छ. उनीहरुले दुई तीन वटा काट पाए भने पनि दे लाइक टर्निङ इट इन्टु समथिङ प्रोडक्टिभ. फर एक्जाम्पल अ बुक सेल्फ. कोही बेला घरमा बत्ती जान्दा पनि दे ट्राई फिक्सिङ इट देमसेल्व्स एन्ड दे भेरी अब्जर्भेन्ट अबाउट द सराउन्डिङ्स. सो यदि तपाईमा यो सब क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक्स छ भने चुजिङ साइन्स स्ट्रीम क्यान प्रुभ टु बी अ गुड डिसिजन फर यर करियर. अब हामी बुझौं कि साइन्स स्ट्रीम पर्स्यु गरेर व्हाट आर द करियर अप्सन्स अवेलेबल फर यु अल. सो जसरी मैले तपाईहरुलाई भने कि साइन्स स्ट्रीममा देयर आर टू फिल्ड्स, मेडिकल फिल्ड र नन मेडिकल फिल्ड. र यदि तपाईले मेडिकल फिल्ड चुज गर्नुभयो भने फलोइङ आर सम अफ द पपुलर करियर अप्सन्स अवेलेबल फर यु अल. यु क्यान बिकम अ डक्टर, अ नर्स, अ फिजियोथेरापिस्ट र तपाईले आफ्नो मेडिकल फिल्डको जुन चाहिँ पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट्स छ त्यसमा पनि एउटा बीएससी कोर्स गर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ. Now, if you have chosen non-medical field, you can become an engineer, an architect, or you can join defense services. र likewise तपाईले आफ्नो non-medical field को कुनै एउटा सब्जेक्टमा एउटा normal BSc course पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. But remember, apart from this, there are plenty of other career options available. So, moving ahead, अब हामी अर्को stream, humanities stream तरफ लागौं, जसलाई हामी arts stream पनि भन्छौं. So let us start by knowing यदि तपाईहरुले humanities stream choose गर्नुभयो भने तपाईले कुन subjects पढ्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. So the compulsory subjects that you need to study are history, geography, political science and English. Depending upon the school and the optional subject available, the other subjects could be psychology, sociology and fine arts. र अब सब्जेक्ट्सहरु विषय जानिसकेपछि let us now understand तपाईहरुमा के characteristics हुनुपर्छ if you are planning to go for humanities stream after class 10. र भन्नु पर्दाखेरि the term humanities यसलाई डिफाइन गर्न एकदमै सारो छ र यसलाई छोटकरीमा बुझाउनु हो भने humanities stream is a discipline which deals with the study of human condition. र तपाई यस्तो स्टुडेन्ट हुनुहुन्छ who is very curious on learning about human society and behavior, art stream could be a feasible option for you. The next thing is, जसरी हामीले जान्यौ कि art stream जुन चाहिँ humanities stream छ त्यसमा there are wide range of subjects that comes under the umbrella of humanities stream, right from history, geography, political science, language and many others. So if there is a subject like history, geography that really excites you, तपाईं एकदमै interested हुनुहुन्छ learning about history, geography and the subjects available in the humanities stream, choosing art stream can be beneficial for you. Also, humanities stream जुन चाहिँ छ, it has come up in the last few years as a major field of study, unlike the olden days. अहिलेको समयमा humanities is a highly competitive field. र humanities stream choose गरेर there are plenty of career opportunities available for you. For example, तपाईहरुले यो stream choose गरेर future मा you can become a psychologist, you can become a journalist, you can become a graphic designers, fashion designers, professors, lawyers, sociologists. So there are plenty of career opportunities available if you choose humanities stream. So now science stream र humanities stream बारे जानिसकेपछि let us move to commerce stream. र यदि तपाईले क्लास 10 सकिसकेर commerce stream choose गर्नुभयो भने following would be the subjects that you will have to study: economics, business studies, accountancy, English and optional subjects like maths. र अब commerce stream लाई हामीले कसरी डिफाइन गर्न सक्छौं भन्दाखेरि commerce as a stream of education can be defined as a study of trade and business related activities. So, तपाईहरुमा के characteristics हुनुपर्छ if you are planning to choose commerce stream after class 10 भन्ने कुरामा? If you are a student very much interested in trade and business related activities and you have a high affinity for numbers and economy and business, choosing commerce stream as your career option can be a viable option for you. Also, यदि तपाईले commerce stream just for the sake of dodging science stream र art stream को निम्ति लिनु हुँदैछ अरे, तपाईलाई science stream मन पर्दैन, art stream मन पर्दैन and that is why you have come to commerce stream भने you need to rethink on your choice. Commerce stream should be pursued by students जसमा certain aptitude छ र यो field of study प्रति interest छ. So those students should think of choosing commerce as their stream after class 10. Finally, तपाईले commerce stream choose गरेर what are the career options available for you भन्ने कुरामा, so if you have chosen commerce stream र तपाईले 12th class pass गर्नुभयो भने you can always go for following career options. The first one could be bachelors of commerce. You can go for bachelors of law जसलाई हामी LLB भन्छौं. You can go for chartered accountancy, bachelors of business administration BBA जसको पश्चात तपाईले MBA गर्न सक्छौं र you can go for company secretary and also अहिलेको currently trending you can go for journalism and mass communication and यही फिल्डमा तपाईहरुले फर्दर फ्युचरमा गएर आफ्नो करियर स्ट्याब्लिश गर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ। So आजका सेसनमा we briefly discussed 3 streams that are available to students after class 10, that is science stream, commerce stream and humanities stream. So let us close today's session by understanding what are ITIs, what are the courses offered by ITIs and what are the benefits of ITIs. So basically ITI stands for Industrial Training Institute. So ITIs haru chai ke raisa, these are government training institute which are responsible for providing industry ready trainings to students after class 8 or after class 10. So kunche students le chai they can think of going for ITI courses bhandakheri, if you are somebody looking for a job right after your class 8 and class 10 र तपाईलाई त्यो normal graduations haru गर्नु छैन, if you are looking for money, making money at an early stage in your life, ITI courses are suitable for you. Sikkim ma we have ITI at Rampu, Namchi and Gazing. So finally I'd like to close today's session by giving you all some information on what are the courses available at these ITIs and their course durations. So I request you all to have a look at the screen to know about the courses and their duration. Thank you.